Hello students, today we have to see the next lecture for SY BCom students. Subject name is Business Statistics. Name of the topic Vital Statistics, Age Specific Fertility Rate, Total Fertility Rate, Gross Reproduction Rate and Net Reproduction Rate. This is today's topic. Age Specific Fertility Rate ASFR. Suppose BI is equal to number of births to the females in the ith age group, and PIF is equal to female population in the ith age group. Then age specific fertility rate is equal to BI upon PIF into 1000. Then total fertility rate TFR. It gives the average number of children born to 1000 women in the entire reproductive age period. If C is the width of the age group, then ASFR is the average fertility rate for the corresponding C years. Thus, total fertility rate is equal to C into summation ASFR. Interpretation. TFR gives the total number of children born per 1000 women in the entire reproductive age period. For example, TFR is equal to 2200 means on an average 1000 female over their complete reproductive period give birth to 2200 offsprings. In other words, every woman gives birth to 2.2 children in the entire reproductive period. Gross reproduction rate GRR. If BI is the number of female births and PIF is the female population of ith age group, then we define gross reproduction rate GRR as follows. GRR is equal to proportion of female births into TFR, or GRR is equal to width of the age group into summation female ASFR. GRR per woman is interpreted as the average number of daughters to a woman in the childbearing period. Net reproduction rate NRR. In computing GRR, we have assumed that every female child born at present will grow and survive up to the end of the childbearing age period. This needs to be corrected by taking into account the loss due to mortality. This can be done by using the survival factor, which is the proportion of women who will survive for corresponding age group. So if pi I 0 less than or equal to pi I less than or equal to 1 is the survival factor for females in the ith age group, then we define NRR as follows. NRR is equal to summation BI upon PIF into 1000 into pi I into width of the age group, which can be considered as proportion of female births into C into summation ASFR into pi. See the example. This is from term and exam question paper, October 2017 for 10 marks. The table given below gives the number of women in childbearing age and number of births by quinquennial age group and survival rates. If the ratio of male births to female births is 13:12, calculate GFR, TFR, GRR and NRR. So age group and female population and number of births are given. We have to find ASFR, which is nothing but BI upon PIF into 1000. Survival factor is also given to us. So the next column we will calculate ASFR into pi I. So see the first calculation. Age group 15 to 19. Female population for this age group is 16,000. Number of births are 400. So ASFR calculations are 25. 400 upon 16,000 into 1000. So that calculation is 25. 25 into 0.95, which is nothing but 23.75. So this is the first calculation. Second age group is 20 to 24. Female population is 15,000. Number of births are 1,710. So to calculate ASFR, we will consider 1,710 divided by 15,000 into 1,000. So the answer is 114. Now 114 multiplied by 0.94, it becomes 107.16. Next age group is 25 to 29. Female population is 14,000. Number of births are 2,100. Now ASFR calculations are 2,100 divided by 14,000 into 1,000. So the answer is 150. 150 into 0.92. The value becomes 138.00. Next age group 30 to 34. Female population is 12,000. Number of births are 960. So find out ASFR value, which is nothing but BI upon PIF into 1000. So 960 upon 12,000 into 1000. The answer is 80. 80 multiplied by 0.88. The value is 70.40. Next calculations. Age group 40 to 44. Female population is 11,000. Number of births are 330. To calculate ASFR value, we will consider 330 upon 11,000 into 1000. The answer is 30. 30 into 0.89. 0.87. The value is 26.1. The next age group is 45 to 49. Number of females are 9,000. Number of births are 36. So 36 upon 9,000 into 1000. So answer is 4. 4 into 0.85 survival rate. So answer is 3.4. Now we have to find general fertility rate, total fertility rate, gross reproduction rate and net reproduction rate. So to find general fertility rate, we need total of all the births as well as total of female population. So 16,000 plus 15,000 plus 14,000 plus 13,000 plus 12,000 plus 11,000 plus 9,000. The total female population becomes 90,000. Birth, we will have to add 400 plus 1,710 plus 2,100 plus 1,391 plus 960 plus 330 plus 36. So the total births are 6,927. So first of all we will calculate GFR, which is nothing but summation BI upon PIF into 1000. So that is nothing but 6,927 divided by 90,000 into 1000. So the answer is 76.966. Now to calculate total fertility rate, we will have to add age specific fertility rate as 25 plus 114 plus 150 plus 107 plus 80 plus 30 plus 4. The total value becomes 510. So total fertility rate is equal to width of the age group into summation ASFR. So 5 into 510, that is the that are the calculations. So total fertility rate is given as 2,550. Now gross reproduction rate is nothing but proportion of female births into total fertility rate. Now proportion of female births they have given us as 13:12. So we can calculate 12 upon 25. So that value is 0.48. So 0.48 into 2,550. So GRR is given as 1,224. Now to find net reproduction rate, we have to take the last column total, that is nothing but summation of ASFR into pi. So 23.75 plus 107.16 plus 138 plus 96.30 plus 70.40 plus 26.1 plus 3.4. The value is 465.11. So NRR is given as proportion of female births into width of the age group into summation ASFR into pi I. So proportion of female births is again 12 upon 25, which is nothing but 0.48 into 5 into 465.11. So the final answer is 1116.264. See the next example. This is from question paper March 2017, university question paper for 15 marks. Calculate GFR, TFR, age specific fertility rate and GRR for the following data. Assume that proportion of female births is 38.9%. So the data is given, age group, number of women and total births are given. Age group 15 to 19, female population is 12,000, total number of births are 221. Age group 20 to 24, female population is 12,300, total births are 1,907. Age group 25 to 29, female population is 11,850, total births are 1,610. Age group 30 to 34, total population is 11,400, total female population is 11,400, total births are 1,122. Age group 35 to 39, female population is 11,100, total births are 687. Next age group is 40 to 44, female population is 11,250, total births are 210. Age group 45 to 49, number of women are 10,875 and total births are 109. Now we have to calculate age specific fertility rate. Then we will have to calculate GRR and NRR also. So first of all, we will find age specific fertility rate as BI upon PIF into 1000. So first of all, write down age group as 15 to 19. Total women are 12,000. Number of births are 221. So ASFR calculations are 221 divided by 12,000 into 1000. So that answer is 18.41. Next age group 20 to 24. Female population is 12,300. Number of births are 1,907. ASFR calculations are 1,907 divided by 12,300 into 1000. So that answer is 155.0406. Next age group is 25 to 29. Number of women are 11,850. Total births are 1,610. ASFR calculations are 1,610 divided by 11,850 into 1000. So that answer is 135.8649. Next age group is 30 to 34. Number of women are 11,400. Number of births are 1122. So ASFR calculations 1,122 divided by 11,400 into 1000. So the answer is 98.4210. Next age group is 35 to 39. Number of female 11,100. Number of births 687. ASFR calculations 687 divided by 11,100 into 1000. So the answer is 61.8918. Next age group is 40 to 44. Total female population are 11,250. Total births are 210. So ASFR calculations, 210 divided by 11,250 into 1000. Answer is 18.6667. Then last age group is 45 to 49. Female population 10,875. Number of births are 109. ASFR calculations, 109 upon 10,875 into 1000. So answer is 10.9195. So these are the calculations for age specific fertility rate. Now to get GFR, general fertility rate, we need total of female population as well as total of number of births. So 12,000 plus 12,300 plus 11,850 plus 11,400 plus 11,100 plus 11,250 plus 10,875. The total is 80,775. Now to get total number of births, we will add 221 plus 1,907 plus 1,610 plus 1,122 plus 687 plus 210 plus 109. So total births are 5,866. So GFR is equal to total births upon female population in the reproductive age group into 1000. So that is equal to 5,866 divided by 80,775 into 1000. So the answer is 72.62. Now to find total fertility rate, the formula is C into summation ASFR. So we will have to take the total of summation ASFR, which is nothing but 18.41 plus 155.0406 plus 135.8649 plus 98.4210 plus 61.8918 plus 18.6667 plus 10.9195. The total is 498.38. So TFR is given as 5 into 498.38. It becomes 2,491.6. Next calculation we have to go for GRR, gross reproduction rate, which is equal to proportion of female births into TFR. Proportion of female births is equal to 38.9 upon 100 because it is 38.9%. So 38.9 upon 100 into TFR value is 2,491.6. So the answer is 969.2324. Next example, compute crude birth rate, GFR, age specific fertility rate, TFR for the following data. Total population is 1,86,300. So age group value is given 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44. These are the age groups. Number of women 24,000, 20,000, 15,000, 12,000, 6,000, 4,000. Total number of women population is 81,000. Number of births values are 800, 2,400, 2,000, 600, 120 and 10. So the final total births are 5,930. So age specific calculations we will find as BI upon PIF into 100. So 800 upon 24,000 into 1000. So answer is 33.3333. Then second age group ASFR value becomes 2,400 upon 20,000 into 1000. Answer is 120. Next ASFR calculations 2,000 upon 15,000 into 1000. Answer is 133.3333. ASFR calculations for age group 30 to 34, 600 upon 12,000 into 1000. Answer is 50. Next value 120 upon 6000 into 1000. Answer is 20. 10 upon 4000 into 1000. Answer is 2.5. And if you take the total of last column ASFR, the value is 33.3333 plus 120 plus 133.3333 plus 50 plus 20 plus 2.5. So answer is 359.1666. So crude birth rate is given as total number of births divided by total population into 1000. Total population is given as 1,86,300. So 5,930 divided by 1,86,300 into 1000. So answer is 31.8304 per thousand. GFR calculations are total births upon female population in the reproductive age period into 1000. So 5930 upon 81,000 into 1000. So answer is 73.2099 per thousand. TFR is given as C into summation ASFR. So width of the age group is 5 and summation ASFR value is 359.1666. So TFR value becomes 1795.833.